Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holder? So, what's the next target of Zilliqa coin, and what's my prediction, and what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video very important, gone, my friend. So, kindly don't skip any second of this video because every second is very important. Let's start the price prediction, but be honestly, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel because only 4% people subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very bad, my friend. Kindly be honestly subscribe our YouTube channel and keep touch with us because this channel provide you very latest news and updates. My friends, first of all, I do a prediction of this video and of this coin because this is very important, my friend. My friend, if you can see here, I draw a two line and this is the circulation. If you can see here, my friend, after a very bad falls, they gone straight, my friends, and this is this is not bad, my friend. If you can see here, but after a fails, you can see here they fails down again. But after a fails, they take a high jump and they touch the first line. You can see here. So this part you can see here, they give us a very good price, 0.24686 US dollar. You can see here. This is the latest price of Zilliqa, my friend. But after this jump, they fails down again, very badly fails down again. And everybody understand this is the circulation. To after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down again, my friend. So my friend, after a fail they take a very small jump, but after a fail, after a jump, they fails down again. And I think this day is a very bad day. I already post it on my channel, my friend, to the Zilliqa, not just unique Zilliqa coin, every crypto market crypto coin is very badly fails down. So please don't sell it, and a lot of holders cannot sell it. So this all be safe from any more loss, my friend. So kindly subscribe our YouTube channel to you also understand to what I tell you, what my latest updates, what my opinion. Please, I have a master of crypto market 3 year experience, my brother. I show you in this video with chart. This is very professional chart, my friends. Please understand. Okay, my friends, this time if you can see here, they changed occur in the last 7 days, minus 5.35 US dollar. This is not a big fund, my friends. Not this point, not this point, and also not this point. These 3 points, my friends, point 1, point 2, point 3, and also point 4, my friend. These points are very important. Understand what I talk to, my friend. If you see, if you focus on the point 1, they cannot bet files down, and this point they cannot touch the second line. But after this point, you can see here, my friends, they go up to second point, then exactly they touch very highest point. They moving very good, my friend. So it's mean to after a very bad fall, they also take a very good jump, and after a good jump, they also fails down very badly, exactly. And this you can see here, this scene you can see here. So my friend, after a very big jump, they take a very big dump, exactly. But after this big jump, the big dump, they cannot take a big jump. They take a very small, literally very small jump, my friend. And after this jump, they also fails down again. So exactly, this is very bad time, my friends, for Zilliqa coins. But my expectation is very good, my friends. So in upcoming days, they're moving up like a rocket, exactly, and they give you a half US dollar. Our target is half US dollar. I hope they can hit it easily, my friend, as my expectation is very good from Zilliqa coin because they can hit it easily, half US dollar at the end of this month. My friends, what's my opinion? Please hold it. Please, this is my opinion. I cannot order you. Please hold it and sell it at the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.